not a joke. Amy Schumer has a new man. Meet Ben Hanisch, a 29-year-old furniture designer from Chicago who has won the heart of America's funniest woman. He revealed his relationship on Instagram, saying, "Sometimes in life you get extremely lucky, and the smartest, funniest, most beautiful woman comes along when you least expect it. Here's to what adventures 2016 brings." The 34-year-old stand-up comedian has been extremely vocal about her sexual exploits on stage, but now it seems she's really ready to settle down. People magazine reports she calls him her boyfriend and says he constantly tells her how pretty, sexy, and perfect she is. She feels like she hit the jackpot. This is Schumer's first public relationship since her smash hit film Trainwreck hit theaters. Seems like this train wreck has finally found her way back on the romantic track.